Hello, everybody. This is Ryan, and this is the end of week 8. Tomorrow is Saturday, and your discussion boards are due, your weekly problems are due, and your final is due. I really enjoyed learning from you um, and working with you in this class. It was very fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. I wish you best of luck um, in the future. Some of you I know are graduating, and that's exciting. Get that degree out of the way. All this hard work is going to start paying off. For those of you who have more coursework to do, keep working. You did a good job in this class. Like I said, I really enjoyed it. The last thing I want to talk to you about is the course evaluation. Please make sure you take time to do that. That's how we get better as a whole, and that helps me get better as an instructor. Um, Again, I really appreciate you taking class, and I wish you best of luck in the future. Thanks a lot.